be playing Airplane 2, but we have a special guest, DeSean.
Hey guys. So, yeah, let's go. I don't even know.
This is gonna be the craziest video ever.
Alright, guys, so
Let's get on one with a lot of people. Over here. Kyleah.
accident. Where are you? Guys, where are
Go
you?
to gate A.
Okay. I actually don't know where that is.
Oh my god.
Are you stupid? Are you
John, don't go in. You have to wait for.
Are you dumb, stupid, or dumb? Like, what the heck?
Well,
Oh, Kyleah, turn on.
I know.
Bruh, I want to get on one with people. I want people to get on because you're taking that long.
3, 2, 1.
Guys, go in. DeSean, go in.
I'm sitting right next to Mari. Ah!
Oh, man. What?
We're probably gonna get seats next to each other anyway.
I want to get a seat next to, let's see.
My name is Kyleah, not Amari.
DeSean got a seat next to a random person.
Amari, yours is right here. And somebody else is there. Mine is.
I found yours. You're all the way up front. Oh, man. I want to sit next to you guys.
Mine is right here.
But we don't have to sit down yet.
Move! Dang, man.
We don't have to sit down yet, so
Kyleah,
down
don't.
south. Ooh.
That's what we want to sit in our chairs right now.
Woohoo!
Sit.
I'm trying to sit down, but it won't work, so I'm just gonna stand.
But when it tells you to sit down, you have to.
I'm sitting down.
My name is Kelly. I will be. I played this already, so I'm not gonna read it.
Pilot. And this.
As you can probably tell, this is not a regular plane. Kyleah, let me talk.
DeSean, please not.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Yes.
I welcome you to the 991 presidential aircraft. You heard right. The president would like to celebrate personally with you guys.
At least it's not.
You saved the airplane last time. I'm probably gonna save the airplane again today.
Mhm.
We're gonna be superheroes.
Are we
Still
gonna
don't
try to
understand
get
how the captain lost control that time. Anyways, you saved the day, and that is the reason why we are here. Guys, I can't talk.
I know.
All right, enough chatting.
How many ching chong? Sit down, lady.
Shut up.
Ching chong.
Girl, you have to sit in your
Please find
seat.
a seat
Girl, don't
that has
get
a
up.
golden label with your name on it.
Don't get up, I said. Jeez.
Girl, don't you listen? I can see you from all the way back there. I'm one seat ahead of
What
you.
did I just say?
You said oof. I'm one seat ahead of you.
For real? Oh. I want to read this.
Most people died. Most people died. Did we just do a barrel roll?
Hey, I was
Yes,
supposed to
we
read that.
did. Do a barrel roll.
Okay.
Thank you for your cooperation.
DeSean, I have a little tip for you. Do not stand in front of these doors because you will get stuck.
That's why I'm staying down.
Are we trying to get the secret ending or no?
Yes.
Yep, let's try and get... Please. I hope I'm not the cook.
I want to be the cook.
I don't want to be the
Come on, guys.
I'm gonna mess
So,
up with chicken,
guys.
fried chicken.
The first note is in here.
Where?
In this room.
Does anybody have to click it?
Yes.
Yes.
Where is it in this room? Oh.
DeSean, over here. Click it. It's right here. It says not.
Got it. I'm not gonna miss any notes.
DeSean got it.
Last time I missed the notes.
Move out of my way, fat.
I'm like, this person is actually the... What is it?
Monster. Yeah, me and DeSean played this already.
Me too.
Long time ago.
We did too.
You're like in months. Like months ago.
I love my new
Amari.
outfit. I love the candy corns.
Amari, you remember I got the gun
And all these dumb people sitting right here while we're trying to film. Like, what the...
DeSean, whoever gets the gun, in front of us gets the gun. Wait. I think this is
shoot the
Guys, there's another note in here.
Where?
In the workroom. Over here. In here.
What does this one?
It says he.
Okay.
I got it.
Oh God, I can't see.
But there is something you must know before.
Kyleah, press this button so you can see how many notes. Okay, now you can see how much notes you have.
2.
I have 2.
I have 2.
We all have 2. Okay, that's good. We're starting on a good start.
Who's gonna knock over the water?
I want to.
Okay, you knock over the water. You have to keep pressing it. I'll go get the mop.
Whoa.
Shut up.
Ooh, but I didn't knock it over.
I'm gonna knock the water over.
Everybody's standing here waiting to get the broom. Never mind.
You mean no?
Mop.
Yes, I knocked it over. Oh no, I'm sorry.
Look at this mess. The president is going to be so mad. No,
I'm
you stay
sorry.
there. Please
I'm
find,
gonna keep on finding notes.
I'm stuck.
or else we will have to lock Kyleah for the rest of the flight. Okay, I got a broom, mop, whatever.
Rude.
Walk Kyleah for the rest of the life.
You don't want that to happen, do you?
Yep, I do.
Ah, if that happens, she's gonna die. Great, it's clean. Please don't let that happen again.
Okay.
In the next room, there's a note, I think. The president is ready now. Please follow me. Don't stand right in front of the door, remember?
Oh, yeah.
Whoever stands right there is gonna get stuck. Or maybe not.
Okay, we're just sitting in our room for the last time. Oh yeah.
Where's paper?
Wait. I don't know if it's true or not, but I know one way to be the cook is to be the first person that runs up and touches the president.
I did.
I Ben did that.
Oh, I touched the door.
Build that brick wall. DeSean and Kyleah and me. So,
Wait, what?
oh, I was about to say we touch your character, but if we're there, don't stand. Not the door. You have to
I'm
come sit
sorry.
down.
It's just the habit.
Okay, Kyleah, DeSean. I sit right here. Kyleah sits next to you, and then DeSean sits on the other side. Can't sit right now, but
Yeah, I'm not touching that president. So I'm not touching.
I already touched the president. I really want to be the cook. Maybe if I do the monkey dance on, it will give me luck. Let me try it. That's it.
Now, guys, we're
Dance off.
trying to interrupt you, Mr. President. The food is not ready yet. I believe the chef messed up.
What? Throw that chef off this plane. I just guessed that. I forgot what he was gonna say.
Please don't. We'll take care of him, Mr. President. President.
Can I do it for you?
Yeah.
Kyleah's the chef. Just don't mess nothing up. You know what salt, pepper, everything looks like, right? So I'll say what I'll read
You
it for
better
you.
learn quick, or else
Here,
I'm throwing
you
you
do
off this plane too. You're not throwing my best friend off this plane.
Wish me luck.
Shut up, you president.
Kyleah. I will tell you the ingredients, and you have to find them and drop them into the soup pot before the time runs out.
What you guys
I
doing?
mean, look at me. Everybody's standing in front of the window. If you got the wrong
Kyleah
ingredient,
don't know what to do. If you got the wrong, throw it in the trash can.
are you ready? Yes.
Time to cook. What's he
I'm
gonna
so
say?
nervous.
Are you ready?
Soup.
The soup needs
Tomato. Tomato.
Go in the pot.
Eh,
Throw it in the pot.
it wouldn't let me for a second.
The soup needs tomato.
Jeez, this tomato soup? Not tomatoes.
It must be. The soup needs cabbage.
Cabbage.
Who puts cabbage in soup anyway?
Cabbage.
She said cabbage. Be quiet.
Cabbage. What cabbage?
The only cabbage from the soup needs tomato.
Jeez,
Is this tomato
soup?
It must be.
Yay, food is ready. Huh.
Get back to my city.
Okay, everybody sit next to me. I sit. You guys sit. I sit in the middle, and then Kyleah sits on one side, and Sean sits on the other side.
Why do I have to sit right next to the president?
Everyone take a seat, and you don't take a seat, you die. So.
No, that's not fair. Get up, girl.
No, just find somewhere to sit, cause you're gonna die.
Kyleah sucks. But you're saying two people. You're saying one person away from a mine.
There.
Ooh,
That person died. Bad luck for that person. And bad luck for that one too.
enjoy. Delicious.
How do I eat it? How do I eat it?
You can't actually eat it.
Oh.
You remember when we was playing this, Kyleah? You remember when we was playing this to Star and she didn't sit down and she died?
Now, Mark, hurry up.
I'm not gonna die. I'm not gonna die.
The monster bite's gonna be here any minute. I
Kyleah.
just know it.
Sit down next to me, man.
Kyleah, you think what I'm thinking?
I have butterflies in my stomach. I have butterflies in my stomach. It's an impression. It's an expression.
Wow, you scared?
Yeah.
Don't close your computer on accident.
Yeah, I feel like I have butterflies in my stomach.
Okay, guys.
You have poop in your stomach.
How would that even be possible?
Oh, Kyleah, come
Only
on.
if you eat it.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, come on.
Oh.
There's another note.
Not a no nasty, disgusting little person.
I said no. Jeez, where's the note? There's supposed to be a note in here. Man.
The president suit.
Sweet.
I want to do this.
Welcome to the computer room.
I know what to do here.
What do?
You paint whatever's on the big screen. You put it on the computer. All of them.
Okay, I can't. There is a no here. The game lied to us. I could have sworn. Well, whatever.
President is waiting.
I'm coming back.
Presidential suit. In order to protect
I'm
the
the only one
president,
that
we created a
mine's.
secret code that unlocks the door.
My character is the only one that says
No.
novice passenger, so you can tell if it's me or somebody else.
Grow up, hackers.
Done. That was quick. Don't stand in front of the door. Now there's definitely a note in here.
Yeah, I know it. Where it's in here.
Right behind the desk. You have to zoom in and click it. Well, you don't really have to zoom in, but just try to click it.
I don't see nothing behind the desk.
Zoom in.
Okay.
Like.
Find it.
Be closer to it.
Show you stepping on it. I can't get it.
DeSean got it. You got it?
Now, guys,
Zoom in.
Got it.
this is a pretty good game, am I right?
Yeah.
No,
We might have to cut it into 2 parts, just so
Yeah.
Because for some reason I want to post videos that are over 30 minutes long, and I feel like this is gonna take us over 30 minutes long. So.
I found the keys.
Okay, guys. So this is just part 1. We'll be right back with part 2. So yeah. Peace out.